Hi guys, welcome back to KBCards. Today I got another multi-pack opening here. These are all value packs. Got two 2018 Gallery, 2016 Top Series 2, and 2016 Top Series 1. So we'll just start with this Gallery for now. Man, this is tricky. But I've never opened 2018 Gallery. I've opened 2017, and I liked it, so hopefully we get something good. Really? No way. Off the bat, Rhys Hoskins rookie. That's a pretty good one. I might have one other one, but not many, so that's cool. We have Salvi Perez. We got Dylan Cousins. Maybe it's Cousins. I've always heard it as Cousins. Oh, dang it. We got Lewis Brinson. Ryan Healy. And then we have Masterpiece of Ichiro. That's cool. I like that one. We have Artisans, D. Gordon. No. What? A Mike Trout insert. Are these like, I think these are canvas parallels. Yeah, two canvas parallels. And one of them is Mike Trout. I only have like one other Mike Trout. Dude, that's so cool. Okay, that one is awesome. Then our other one is Victor Cardatini rookie card, which I haven't heard of him, but might be good. Ooh, that's cool. Nolan Ryan. Is that like, no, these all have the same texture, but that's cool. I like that one. Then we have Victor Arenado. No, Victor Arano. I don't know how to say that. And then Chris Sale, which is good too. And then, which one of these should I open?
Doesn't matter.
I'll do this one.
Sure.
I got a friend helping me out today, so yeah, that's who's talking in the background with me. He's gonna open the next two packs after this, so. Set those down a little hard. We have a Jackley Bradley Jr., Brett Anderson, Will Myers, Colin McHugh, Marcus Stroman, Robbie Ray, Josh Tomlin. I see some sort of insert. Brandon Geyer, Alexi Amarista, Miguel Castro, Bartolo Colon, Robbie De La Rosa, sticking together, Johnny Cueto. This one's not bad. Keon Broxton rookie card. Roytis Vizcano. Michael Morse. Matt Reynolds. Ryan Flaherty. John Axford. Blake Swihart. Caleb Joseph. Justin Nicolino. And I believe this is the gold insert. Yep. So this is the gold insert. They're numbered out of 2016. Well, since it's from 2016, they're numbered out of whatever year they came from. We have some cool back from, 2001, which is cool. Oh, I like this one. Tribute to the Kid. Ken Griffey. He's a nice one. And then Chasing 3000 Ichiro. I think that's 3,000 hits. Be my guess. We have 100 years at Wrigley Field. Billy Williams. And then Carl Yastrzemski. And then I can check this because even though I have the app of Topps Bunt, this is from 2016, so that's no good. Gregory Polanco. Chris Tillman. The Red Sox team card, I think I have this one, maybe. Jared Hughes. Milwaukee Brewers team card. Kyle Crockett. Caleb Cotham. The Cincinnati Reds team card. And our final card is Jesse Chavez. And now, it's time for my friend here to take over and open the next couple packs. There you go.
Okay. Set this down here. So first we have a Freddie Peralta.
Peralta.
Felix Hernandez. Mike Soroka. Ooh. Corey Kluber.
Yes. Yes, I like that guy,
Gleyber Torres.
Yes.
Bryce Harper. Willie Calhoun, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Tyler Wade. The canvas card, I believe. The other one like that is Nick Williams. And then the last three cards are Ian Kingsler, Parker Bridewell, and Martin.
I'm just kidding. Well, it's Martin.
Martin Maldonado. Okay, now we got this rack pack here. Should be fun to open. Open the top part first, I guess. Open the bottom after that. Okay, so we got Joaquin Benoit, Aaron Harang. Not sure.
That's Giancarlo Stanton.
That dude.
Dude, he's good.
Clay Buchholz.
That sounded like something else. Okay, keep on going.
Alright, and next card we have a wins leaders, Jake Arrieta, Zach Greinke, and Garrett Cole, something like that. Jason Kipnis, Indians, and Clayton Kershaw. There.
That's a throwback card.
Back to back, Ben Zobrist and
Stan Musial. No way, I've actually heard of that guy. Kristaps
Porzingis, nice name there. Him.
He's a basketball player, dude.
Yeah, he is a basketball player now. Or he was, I don't know.
He still is.
Michael Cabrera. Miguel Cabrera, whatever. Yeah. Nolan Ryan, nice. Francisco Liorano. Trace Thompson. Rookie card there.
It's Trace Thompson.
Darren O'Day. Jake Odorizzi. Seth Smith. See, I don't follow baseball much, but Kevin Kiermaier and Mitch Moreland. And I'll just open the bottom half of this thing. Just stand the way they did that. Ryan Vogelsong, David Robertson, Anthony Rizzo, nice. Jerry's Familia, and what's that, Caleb?
Anthony De Sclafani.
All right, nice, good job. Reed Ziegler.
Brad Ziegler. Can you read Brad Ziegler?
I'm obviously okay. Glenn Perkins, Twins. Got our Twins guy over here cheering. Bryce Harper.
Nice.
Wade Miley.
I'll throw that card for you. Michael Conforto rookie card. This is one of the ones I've been looking for.
Salvador Perez there. Delino DeShields Jr. Delino, whatever.
I got this one. Hyunjin Ryu.
Nice. Dodgers.
Yes, that's the other one I was looking for.
Trey Turner rookie card. Oliver Perez. Hector Olivia. Kendall Graveman. And the last one is Homer Bailey.
Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. I have fun doing these random value pack openings with you guys. Gotten some cool stuff in the past, got some cool stuff this edition. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, maybe press the like button down there and make sure to subscribe to KB Cards. Thanks for watching.